Hey guys, today we're going to be unboxing the new Sheglam and Powerpuff Girls collection. I say new, but I feel like it's like a couple of months old now. These came out, I think a couple of months ago, and I was so excited to get it, and now it's finally here. So yeah, they first posted about it on the 30th of August, so it's not like that old, like it's still relatively new. I ordered mine off Shein, so let's unbox it. So I really enjoy doing unboxings on Sheglam's collections because I just feel like they typically go all out with like their packaging and like products and everything like that. So it's just really fun to open them up and show them to you guys. First of all, this is the box. And I think I'm honestly going to have to keep this because how cute is it? It's a little TV. So yeah, it's like a little TV and it's like the what is it? I always forget. Lenticular motion or whatever it's called, but anyway, it's really cute. So let's open it up and have a look inside. Honestly, kind of don't really remember what comes in this collection, so I feel like this is gonna be as fun for me as it is for you guys. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna have to keep this box and display it in the room somewhere because it's just so cute. Oh guys, it's so cute. Okay, when you open it up, this is how it looks. First we have this little bracelet which is so cute. It's got all three of the girls on it. And I don't know, I just think it's such a sweet little bracelet. So there's that. It's nothing that I'll ever wear, but I feel like it, once again, it'll probably look really cute on my shelf. So we have three of these things, which are called shimmer sticks. I've got one for each of the girls. These three here, but it's not called like Bubbles or Blossom or Buttercup or anything like that. They're called Everything Nice, Sugar and Spice. So let's have a look at these first. So we're going to start with Everything Nice. This is Bubbles, yeah? Is it? Oh, the packaging, guys. How cute is that? So I've got a little head on there. Oh, it's so cute. And then, so you open this up, take this little cap off, and it's called a shimmer stick. So I'm guessing it's like, is it like a highlight? I don't know, but either way, this is the first one here. It's obviously blue. I just feel like they really go above and beyond with their collections. So it says you can use them as a shimmery highlighter or a glittery eyeshadow to make your look pop. Next we have Spice. That is the packaging. Shade is really pretty. I'm gonna swatch this one. I should have swatched the last one, but... Oh, okay. They're different to what I thought. Like, they're quite like a wet formula. They feel really wet. But that's so cute. I feel like that would be such a cute little, yeah, like eyeshadow topper. And then the last one we have is Sugar. A little pinky orangey shade. I feel like I should swatch Everything Nice as well, considering I've swatched these ones. That one's a bit more subtle, but it's still cute. And there's the blue one swatched as well. So there's the three of them. I think they're super cute. I like those. I like that you can either use them as a highlighter or you can use them for eyeshadow. So those were our first three products. Okay, and then you have two palettes here, and I reckon we'll have the third one underneath. So yeah, when we look on the bottom row, here's our other palette. So let's take a look at the palettes. So we're going to start with Bubble. Super cute. Guys, these palettes are so cute. So they all come with a little pair of glasses that you can take on or put, take off or put on. And I just can't. Like, I just think that is so funny and so cute. And I just adore that. Oh, it's a cutie little palette, actually. So that's our little palette, our little Bubbles palette. Super cute. Hers says Joy and Laughter. And we have Blossom, and hers says The Leader. So that's the packaging. So cute. She's got her little, like, love heart shaped sunnies. So cute. Oh, and the Blossom palette's really sweet as well. It's a cute little colour story. And then last is Buttercup. I'm pretty sure I always used to be Buttercup like when we played this. Toughest fighter, apparently. That's Buttercup. And she's got her, oh my god, oops, her super cool, like, glasses. And then this one's probably my favourite colour story because you guys know that I love the little green moment. So yeah, I feel like these shades are really cute. I feel like I've talked about it before that Sheglam are really good at keeping like in theme with their eyeshadow colour stories. but then sometimes it can make the colour stories not super appealing because like they're not really cohesive like in a makeup sense. But I feel like these are really like 3 really cute palettes. I'm really excited to do some looks with these. Okay, so we've got a few more things in here. So we have 3 little lip glosses. Packaging looks like that. They're super cute. Oh guys, how cute are they? Come with like a little keychain. So we have Bubbles first. That's Bubbles. And we've got a little Buttercup one. Like, oh, how cute are these? Love these actually. I think they're really, really cute. And I actually really quite like these glosses. Like they're not yet everyday shades, but I think they're so cool. And last but not least, we have our Blossom. Hers is real pretty. How cute. So cute. Those glosses look so nice. I'm so excited to wear them. Next up we have this. This is the Tough Love Shimmer Blush. Once again, the packaging is just so cute. Got a little tin. I don't know why. There's something about makeup in a tin that's just so cute. Oh, this blush is absolutely stunning. I cannot wait to use it. So that is our outer packaging. So cute. And then look at that. Is that not one of the prettiest blushes you've ever seen? I cannot wait to try that out. And then the last thing we have in here, I am so excited for. This is the Save the Day Lip Care. And I think it's like a... So it says you can either use it like as like a lip balm or you can use it as a lip mask. So excited. I hope this smells good. So this is the packaging. It's like that. Super cute. And like it looks so cool in there. Look at it. It's like a little swirl. Oh guys, it doesn't smell. That's a shame. Let's like... I want to swatch a little. It feels like really thick. Feels like a bit like Vaseline-y. But either way, it's super cute. Really wish it had a scent though. Like I feel like it could have had a really cute little like bubblegum scent or something. But anyway, that was everything that comes in the Sheglam and Powerpuff Girls collection. I'm actually so excited to try this collection out. I think it is so cute. I love the colour stories. I love all the products in here. So yeah, let me know down below what you thought of this collection and keep an eye out for a testing video soon. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!